I have never seen a buyer of crypto who was not up after 18 months. So if your buying horizon is a minimum of 18 months, then you have nothing to worry about. So that's the first thing to keep in mind. I mean, unless things are drastically different, that's the first thing. Even if you buy on a high.
There is a huge comment. Look in the long term that no matter where somebody is, that no matter how low a market has gone throughout, you know, the history of crypto, of Bitcoin, you're saying that the market not just rebounds, but increases over 18 months, historically speaking.
Yeah, I haven't seen a period of time where that wasn't the case. Now, if you're lucky enough to buy during a period like now, then you experience a positive in your portfolio way sooner, right? Because, you know, if you look at the whole market, right, since March, right, I mean, it's been a fantastic time. Bitcoin, it keeps ticking down. Of course, all the other coins follow it. So for my strategy is I buy when everyone is selling. That's the only time I buy. I sell when everyone is buying, and I buy when everyone is selling. And so I have been up in my portfolio since day one because, you know, when the market went down, that's when I bought. And I've been doing that since 2013. You know, when it went up to 1,000 the first time, when it breached 1,000, I was selling. And then I bought back in when it was down at 200-300. And, you know, we saw that again last year at the 20,000. I was selling and I've been buying back in. So that's really the way I think about it is like, you know, you focus on dips in terms of your entry point if you're patient. But if you're not patient and you buy on an upswing or you buy it before it's really hit bottom, just use that 18-month metric as your sense of what's success. It always feels better psychologically when you're up, and you have to have patience. So if you happen to catch it, not catch the dip at the best part of the dip, which is okay, just know 18 months, you'll probably be okay.
You'll probably be okay. Got it.
Okay.
Now that's a huge thought right there. Because
a lot of taxes. Be careful of your taxes.
Be careful of your taxes.
Yeah, that's the other thing. No. Don't go trading back and forth. Don't go trading back and forth thinking, you know, because I had a friend, and this is a true story. I had a friend who did very well last year, traded back and forth between, you know, Ethereum and Bitcoin and a bunch of other coins. Was very excited, and then the tax bill came, right? And then they said, oh wow, they had to sell their crypto. The problem is crypto had come down, and so they ended up having to sell all of their crypto to pay the taxes because they had changed the Bitcoin to Ethereum when they were both at the high. So the problem is they didn't take their taxes out when they did that transfer. And of course, at the time, it wasn't clear that going from one crypto to another was a taxable event. I mean, this is for US citizens, clearly, not for everybody, for the lucky ones, right? But, you know, so anyway, so you know, the other thing is like, you know, stop the gratuitous trading. If you don't need to trade, don't trade, especially if you don't want that taxable event.
Absolutely. Just and to hold on, especially now with, you know, it's indisputable that any type of trade within from one crypto to another crypto. Last year, you know, there were some arguments that, you know, like kind exchange and that type of thing, but they totally ruled that out for 2018. So really make sure that if you want to sell, you got to take in consideration capital gains and what the tax man's going to be coming collecting for later. So very
just to clarify, it was actually passed in December 2017 retroactively. So didn't start 2018, it actually started 2017.
So they did it was fully retroactive throughout from
2017.
And then
they wrote it into the tax code in December of 2017 and decluded 2017.
Got it. No, I think a lot of people didn't know that. I wasn't, I had no idea it was retroactive on for all 2017, that the like-kind exchange side.
Yeah.
Capital gains. Got to pay the tax man. Got it.
Yep. Got to do it.
Excellent.
Build those roads.
Yeah. No doubt.